You guys are same pinch. 30, 38. Why 30? Nishan, first you. Why 30?
I will choose approximately 15 years.
15.
15.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
क्यों 15 ही क्यों? बच्चे बने रहना है या फिर क्या रीजन क्या है?
सर एक्चुअली मैं कम एज चूज करना चाहता था, मैं ये बोलना चाहता था कि चाइल्डहुड चूज करना चाहता हूँ, तो आपने बोला कि कोई नंबर चूज करो,
अच्छा, तो
इसलिए
15 रख लिए।
15 ठीक है।
मतलब बचपन की यादें ताजा रखनी है।
हाँ सर। सर
संकेत
मतलब
भाई
बचपन ही एक ऐसा होता है जब कोई मतलब टेंशन नहीं होती है, बाकी पूरी लाइफ में टेंशन होती है सर। मतलब कुछ ना कुछ तो वर्कलोड वगैरह कुछ ना कुछ तो होता ही है।
मुझे ना संदीप माहेश्वरी की एक लाइन याद आ जाती है कि जो बच्चा है वही बचा है।
हाँ।
हाँ, संकेत भाई 30 क्यों? Why
मैं
30?
मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव ऐसा है कि मतलब 30 में मतलब कुछ सब हो जाता है ना, पढ़ाई जॉब वगैरह सेटल हो जाता है, तो
मतलब
भी बेटर
एक असम्पशन आ जाता है कि हाँ वहां थोड़ा रुकने मिलेगा।
मिलेगा। हाँ, और
है
लाइफ
ना
की
कि
टेंशन नहीं रहेगी, फ्यूचर थोड़ा।
हाँ ये होगा कि 12th हो चुकी है, ग्रेजुएशन हो चुका है, मास्टर्स हो चुकी है, जॉब हाथ में है,
बात में।
सब
हाँ,
पेरेंट्स कंट्रोल करेंगे ना टीचर्स कंट्रोल करेंगे। इसीलिए
जॉब तो मतलब पूरा इसमें ना, घर में पढ़ाई वढ़ाई, ग्रेजुएशन हो गया तभी मैं मतलब कुछ मतलब जॉब मिल रही है, लेकिन मतलब मन सेटिस्फाई नहीं हुआ है, इसलिए कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहिए।
निशान, आप अपनी अटेंडेंस भर चुके हैं नहीं भर चुके हैं?
सर एक्चुअली मेरे को ये मैं क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता था कि अटेंडेंस भरनी कैसे, मेरे को ऐसा कुछ शो नहीं हो रहा है कि अटेंडेंस कहाँ भरूं।
कमेंट बॉक्स पे एक लिंक होगी, चैट बॉक्स खोलिए, लिंक खोलिए, मैं आपको डायरेक्ट कर दे रहा हूँ।
सर
ओके,
अभी कर देना मेरे को, करना सर, अभी
हाँ
आया नहीं सर मेरे पास।
चैट बॉक्स देखो ना, इसमें जूम का चैट बॉक्स होता है, नहीं दिख रहा?
हाँ सर मैंने खोला है, दिख नहीं रहा सर वैसे मेरे को कुछ। सर अभी मिल गया सर, मिल गया।
ठीक है, हाँ उस पर क्लिक करेंगे, जाएंगे पहला ऑप्शन चूज करेंगे अटेंडेंस शीट, और वहां जाके अपना नाम मोबाइल नंबर वगैरह भर दो। आप मेंबर हो तो आप गेस्ट चूज करोगे, संकेत गेस्ट हैं तो इन्होंने गेस्ट चूज किया होगा वहाँ गूगल फॉर्म पे, फिर सबमिट कर दिया होगा। एक बार आपका अटेंडेंस फॉर्म भर जाए तो डन टाइप करें। मैंने अपनी अटेंडेंस भर चुका है, तो मैं डेफिनेटली
जी
टाइप
सर,
करूंगा डन।
ठीक है सर।
ऐसे डन बड़ा बड़ा डन टाइप कर दो गाइस।
सर ये मेंबर आईडी मांग रहा है सर, ये भरना है मैंने?
नहीं इग्नोर इट, मेंबर आईडी अभी नहीं है, आप उसे मत भरिए।
ठीक है सर, ठीक
जो जो जानकारी आपके पास है वो भर दो, जो नहीं है उसको जाने दो।
है। ओके सर।
हम्म।
ओके।
और अटेंडेंस हर सेशन में भरनी है, क्योंकि इसी अटेंडेंस से आपको मिलते हैं लेवल्स, और
ओके
उसी लेवल से आपके अटेंडेंस से मिलते हैं पॉइंट्स, और पॉइंट्स से बढ़ते हैं आपके लेवल।
ओके डन सर।
ठीक है, तो आपके पॉइंट से लेवल बढ़ेंगे, तो आप जैसे कि राइट नाउ मैंने भी लेवल 0 से स्टार्ट किया था और आज मैं लेवल 3 का स्पीकर हूँ, या
ओ
10,000 स्पीकर कम्युनिटी। ठीक है, यहाँ लेवल 20 तक है, और आपको पता है कि लेवल 20 के स्पीकर्स इंटरनेशनल स्पीकर्स होते हैं, जो कंट्री लेवल पे बात करते हैं, कंट्री लेवल के स्टेटस पे जा सकते हैं। तो
ओके
इसलिए आपको अटेंडेंस भरना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि इसी से आपका लेवल तय होगा। ओके, हे सूर्या,
यस सर, डन डन सर।
once your attendance is done, type
Hi, bro.
box. Hey Surya, go fill your attendance and type done in the chat box. We are starting the session.
I got it. I got it. I done.
So you're done. When you type done, then you get a chance to speak. Okay. So guys, we are going to
Please
start
check in the chat box.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Okay. We are going to start the session with a lot of energy from Kashmir, with a lot of energy from Tamil Nadu, with a lot of energy from
Actually,
Allahabad, and with a lot of energy from Maharashtra also. Okay, guys.
sorry sir, actually sorry for interrupting you. I want to clear one thing to you. So actually I am
Yeah,
from
Nishan.
Jammu and Kashmir, but my district is Jammu. Actually I am from Jammu.
Okay, so I will keep it the lot of energy coming in the Sikh from Jammu with the red t-shirt hotness, and Sanket's green energy coming from Maharashtra. And I would like to request and invite my friend and the co-host for the session, and Sarath. Sarath will explain you the ground rules, and he will introduce who we are, who the 10,000 speakers community are. Sarath, please.
Okay. Thank you, Anshuman, for giving the wonderful introduction for me and introducing members as Jains. Okay, guys, the ground rules for today. You can speak even 5 minutes. So nothing in that. You give your best, and after 5 minutes, you are automatically you will get muted. So that's it, I think. So give your best. All the best. That's it.
Okay, thank you, Sarath. Okay, guys, let me introduce one thing that we are 10,000 speakers community. In our tagline, our coach says with us, like everybody has a story to tell, and that story is worth to deliver. The thing is, we need to learn how to tell our story, how to tell that story we want to tell to the society, to the world. And here in the 10,000 speaker, we learn storytelling. We learn how. So we are winning this Corona time. We are learning from across the India. Like right now, we are connected from 4 different states, and here 10,000 speakers. We learn all of that. Okay, guys. So you know us. You know too. And right now, with this whole energy, we are starting this session with the energetic person. Do you guys know the topic? And I will invite the first speaker of the day. Okay. Sir knows no topic. Okay. Anybody knows the topic? Okay. Nishan is fast typing master here. Does beauty affects the career? Okay, guys. So Nishan type first. I would like to call Nishan to deliver his speech. Nishan, I'm giving you the spotlight, and you can start with your speech. Like 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, sir. A very warm welcome to all of you. Today, I, Nishan Singh from JNK, is going to give my speech on topic, does beauty affect? We all know that brain matter more than beauty to success in any career or any job. So first of all, we all know while taking job, beauty doesn't matter. Beauty doesn't means in job, beauty doesn't means that we have to look smart, because they are not looking smarter person, they are looking smarter persons in term of intelligence, in term of their abilities, that what they require, what they want. These abilities, these beauties are matter in the job, matter in any job. So we all know why people do better in job. The answer is the beauty of their intelligence, the beauty of their abilities. So first of all, let us we take an example of IAS, IPS. We all know that every IPS, they are not looking smart. Looking smart doesn't mean that they are not smart. They are smart, but as per our world are taking that beauty means that looking smart. She's looking smart than other. We people are comparing the intelligence of a person, the quality of a person that a person have, that is a beauty that interviewer want in us. So let us take example of IAS, IPS officers. You know why they are success in their career? Do you know is beauty matter? Is looking smart matter to become a good IPS, IAS officer? No, because they are smarter, they are intelligent, they have abilities to do. IPS, they have ability to serve the society, to help the society. They have a good qualities, they know how to handle every problems. That is why IAS officers are selected. They are not looking good in terms of their beauty, they are looking smart. Beauty means a person is more smarter, a person colors. First of all, but our world takes a color, like she is white, she is black. That is not a beauty. But we all know our real beauty is intelligence, is the ability, is the confidence of a person that a person have. Now I would like to explain something, like I will take my example, like But SSB looks really beautiful person, not in term of color. They look beautiful. If a person have beautify in their officer like qualities, then they are selected, they are becoming a good officer in defense. Intelligent, that is the beauty of an officer. A person is courageous, that is the beauty of an officer. A person is a determined. These are the beauties of officer. Not a looking, not a color of an officer is white, he is a beautiful, interviewer give him job. These are the real beauties. These are the beauty came from mind, came from heart, that matter to success in any job, in any career. So at last, I would like to say that all of that, our society is seeing these beauties. That is a negative beauties that our society is seeing. The real beauty is our intelligence, our determination, our courage, our social
Nishan, your voice is
adaptability.
breaking.
These are the real beauties that that everyone, every opportunity seen in us. So increase your these beauties like intelligence, your ability, your confidence. You should be intelligent in term of these. Your beauty in term of this, like we have more intelligent in studies, then we are do good in career, in our job. Looking good, it doesn't matter that we can take job. In some era, in some job, it can matter, but hardly it matter. But first of all, because nowadays if we have to take job, we all know that there is an entrance, there is interview. Why there is an entrance? Is entrance check or beauty? No, entrance check or ability. So ability to do work is a different thing, and looking good is a different thing. So along with looking good, doesn't matter that we are looking good, it means that we are physically fit. That is the beauty of a person. If we boys are physically fit, we all know that that person is more attracting than other if person is not physically fit. That is the beauty of our young persons. So increase your beauties in term of your qualities to get better job. Thank you and have a nice day.
Amazing, amazing speech, Nishan. You are like, you
Actually,
just give
sorry.
us the
Actually, I'm not prepared today, so I speak what I know.
no matter, no matter. You just deliver a really like energetic speech. That energy we are expecting from you. And
Thank you, sir.
now I will request Sarath to give reviews on your speech. Sarath.
Hey Nishan, first of all, you have given an energetic speech. If someone says that where is Nishan, we remember your energetic speech. That's it. So first of all, your energy is awesome, and you have given many examples like IAS, and IPS, and many examples like that. So it's also awesome, very nice. And one thing, beauty is important or not? Say in one word. I like to ask it.
So beauty, looking good
One,
doesn't matter, but beauty
one,
matters
one
in
word.
term of.
One word, Nishan. One word.
No, sir.
एक शब्द में
No.
बताओ.
Super. Okay, I'll give the explanation in my speech. It's your point of view, and your speech is really nice. Try to ask some questions and make some um, remembrance. Like then, if you speak something, the people should remember you. So not like all, you should be something different and unique. That's all. I think which was awesome. Okay, Anshuman, you can.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, Sarath, and thank you so much, Nishan, for giving your
Sir.
reviews. Like, it give us a different perspective to see the beauty. Thank you so much, guys. Watch your chat box. You got a link. Go fill the feedback form for Nishan. Sarath has given his feedback. You can fill your feedback. How do you feel in Nishan's speech? What do you want to improve himself? Like, so click on the link. Choose the second option. The same link that you used to fill your attendance. Attendance was the first. Feedback is the second. So go fill the feedback form. Come back. Type done in the chat box. Until then, I will be inviting our next speaker. You guys have seen Singham in movies. We have Singham in real life. have Singham in real life, and a person who speaks 6 languages. Okay, guys, feeling excited to listen him. Surya, are you there? If you can listen me, please unmute yourself and say hi.
Can I audible for everyone?
Oh, your voice is little bit breaking.
Can I audible for?
Yeah, now you are. Now you are.
Uh, is it okay?
Okay. Yeah, now it's okay, and I will give you the clapping and the spotlight, and you can start with your speech. 3, 2, 1, rolling.
Action. And hi guys, this is Surya Shekhar from Ooty, Tamil Nadu, and today I'm giving a wonderful speech about does beauty or face color affect the career. And according to the peoples of America, also saying that also the fighting between blacks, whites, fighting. In South India also they are fighting for colors and caste, of course, but I am trying to speak about only for colors. I am also faced the same problem in my college, studies. When I entered the first day, I worn a white shirt and black pants and go to the college, and someone is not likes to speak with me. They leave me alone. Then I have proved how to be want to attach with them. Then after some of the few of days passed with I am single day, I am single boy, and one day I got a chance to show my talent. I got a chance. After that, friends have lots of आपका ब्यूटी यहाँ पे नहीं, यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे. The mind and your heart. That's the beauty. That's your internal beauty. लड़कियों से acids pulling और थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स है, especially for लड़कियों के लिए थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. Lots of girls are facing the color problem, majorly in South India. South India like Thoothukudi, Tirunelveli, etc. The girls are facing the black. Why they are worrying about that? They are born as black. They are worrying about. No one gives any of the jobs. No one responds. That some of societies bad habit, I think so. Don't reject if a person have talents. That's the real beauty. Don't reject a person. Okay. Okay. Then in my college also I have faced the same problem. I have said already. They are picking me a black person in Madrasi. I am one and only the Madrasi. I am studying in Kerala College. It's a Tamil Nadu and Kerala border in my district. Lots of Malayali people and Muslims are with me. They don't like Tamils. They don't like black. They don't like Hindus. That's the same problem facing I do. Don't reject a person with their internal beauty and internal talents.
Super, Surya. Super. You have given a wonderful speech, I think. நம்ம மொழியில சொல்லணும்னா வேற லெவல். Okay. Okay. Surya. First of all, guys, give the feedback for Surya. I have given in chat box.
Sharad bro. Hello. அண்ணா இன்னும் நான் முடிக்கவே இல்லை, அதுக்குள்ளேயே அவசரப்பட்டீங்க.
முடிக்கலையா? சரி சரி போங்க.
Okay. So don't reject a person with your colors. Mind is like a parachute. Think over it. And thank you. Have a great day to you all. Vanakkam.
I think wonderful speech. Let's see. Guys, give the feedback for Surya in the chat box. I have given the link, so go on that and give the feedback. And I'll call upon my host and my friend Anshuman to give the feedback for Singam Surya. Singam Surya.
Hey, Singham. Nice
That is very
confidence, by the way. Nice speech. And I just love your example of parachute that it doesn't matter parachute is black, white, or rainbow colored. It will work when it is parachute. It will work when it is open.
mm,
Really nice examples to have. Just don't reject the people by color. Amazing example, amazing content, and amazing speech. And Nishan, uh, Nishan, you there?
mm.
Nishan, please give review on Surya's speech. What do you think? What do you like the most in the speech? Unmute yourself and say, what do you like the most? Nishan, you are muted.
Unmute.
एक्चुअली सर मेन थिंग इज दैट कि जो चीजें सफर कर रहा है वो एक्चुअल में यही है कि ब्यूटी मैटर कहाँ कर रही है, वो अपने आप से कनेक्ट करके बता रहा है कहीं तो कहीं कि कैसे मतलब ब्यूटी इसने अपनी जिंदगी में एक्सपीरियंस की है कि ब्यूटी मैटर कर रही है, कहाँ हमें इसकी वजह से डिस्क्रिमिनेट कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे हैं लोग। तो इस मतलब ये यहाँ से सीख रहा है और मतलब रियल
Nishan,
एग्जांपल्स।
Nishan,
जी
Sarat,
जी
Surya understand English only. You can go with the English.
ओके सर सॉरी।
Go ahead with Hindi also. No problem.
Actually, sir,
Nishan ji,
I heard all the speech. It's a totally good speech. So first of all, the examples and the fact that is really connect. That is real fact that it touched. That he feel discrimination with beauty. So that is a real thing. That I also feel that it's sometimes in India also people do this thing. That is why I take colors. That people discriminate with the colors. These type of beauties, like my friend Singam Surya, touch really feel these things. I think these some things, these facts sometimes really remember in our minds some examples, not whole speech, but these things always we capture these things. We don't capture the whole speech, but sometimes we never forget these things, the fact and the real examples.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nishan. Like, there is a speaker. Singham Surya is a speaker. We have the topic, we have the knowledge, but Surya create the connect, the feel with the topic.
Yeah,
I can feel it like last 3-4 speeches. Surya, like, he make us emotional about that topic. And
yeah,
Surya, you
absolutely.
have that talent. You create that connect from that. We are talking from a like distance with a hundred of kilometers, but we can feel the connect.
yes. I want to reach with you thousands of kilometers, right? Okay.
And
Last one thing I want
that
to say to everyone. mm,
okay.
this is for Sharad bro.
Okay.
Sharad அண்ணா,
சொல்லுங்க.
நம்ம நிறம் எதுவா இருந்தாலும் சரி, மதம் இருந்தாலும் எதுவா இருந்தாலும் சரி, மனசு ஒண்ணா இருந்தா போதும் bro. என்னைக்கு வேணாலும் சந்தோஷமா இருக்கலாம் bro. இதான் உங்ககிட்ட சொல்ல வேண்டியது. இதே நோஷன் நான் இங்கிலீஷ்ல தான் சொல்லணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறேன். And except Sharad bro and everybody please listen. Whether it is, if it is color or caste or religion is different. Our humanity and our mind, our soul.
Yeah.
That is the same thing we are connecting. If you connect this any one of the thing, you can be a better person. You can rule the world.
Amazing. मैं अभी कुछ बोलूंगा. 10,000 स्पीकर्स की ब्यूटी यही दिखती है. मैं हिंदी बोलता हूँ, सारा इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, निशान कभी हिंदी इंग्लिश, सिंघम तो भाई सब कुछ ही बोलते हैं. और हम कहते हैं कि 10,000 स्पीकर्स में लैंग्वेज का बैरियर नहीं है. आप किसी भी भाषा से हैं, आप किसी भी प्रदेश से हैं, अगर आप बोलना सीखना चाहते हैं, 10,000 स्पीकर्स आपके लिए. ओके गाइस, over to the host, Sarat.
Okay, guys. I think the session is going very interesting. I call upon our next speaker, our new guest, our new speaker, Sanket. Sanket, are you there? You can start now.
So hello everyone, my name is Sanket. I'm from Maharashtra, and this is my first time this coming in this beautiful platform. Thank you for giving me this platform. Beauty affects the career because we seen all that in our daily environment. But it's fallacy to believe that the beauty is not only thing to bring or to make our future bright or our future for our bright career. Looks and beauty matter a lot in various different fields, just like in aviation, in media industries, and in there are many hospitality platform. So where your ultimate work is only beauty to survive or getting any job. We consider that the fair skinned people uh, or good looking people as are as more sociable and more skilled person, but it's not depend on that. We consider that it's totally unfair and injustice. Mm, but it's totally wrong also. We are discriminating people on their color and caste also, and it's very bad. In my perspective is that the beauty is not about your skin color, and it's all about your appearance is only an important factor to succeed in life and also career. And there are more important factors that will affect your career also. And that's it, sir. And
Super, Sanket. Super, you have given a wonderful speech. Uh, I think, guys, please fill the feedback form, which is given in the chat box. Okay, let's ask feedback from Anshuman first.
Amazing speech, Sanket. You said this is your first speech. Let me share my experience when for the first time I faced the camera at the 10,000 speakers community, and sir announced my name. Next speaker will be Anshuman. My heart beat like tap tap tap. I was like, I was just not a word is coming out from my mouth, and you are like amazing. You are like impressive. And for the first time in the stage, my legs are like this. My legs are shivering like this.
yeah,
So
yeah.
for the first, according to first speech, you are amazing and awesome. Guys, please fill the feedback form for Sanket also. And okay, session is amazing. We have listened Singham, we have listened Energy, and now I'm going to welcome to the community. Sanket, welcome to the community also. Our next speaker journey is not ending here. Our next speaker will be my co-host and one more gentleman from the south. One more gentleman, really calm person. he teaches me how to be calm. The captain of team, Steve Jobs, co-host for the session. And Sarath, are you there? You can listen me.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
Sarath.
Anshuman.
I'll give you the spotlight, and you can start with your speech. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Okay, guys. I think thanks, Anshuman, for giving me a long introduction. First of all. Okay. Today's topic is does beauty affect career? Okay. I'll ask one thing. Give me some beauty tips, please, to become fair. You can on the mic or you can comment below.
So fair and lovely लगा लो.
Okay. Sanket, you? Any one thing you can share?
And, that's it. Fair and lovely.
Oh, Anshuman, please.
Oh man, you're really handsome. You just don't need any beauty.
Okay. Singham Surya, are you there? I think he's not there. Okay, I think you have given me some beauty tips, but this is important or not? That's the question, right? So we can go with that. First of all, imagine you are going to interview. Okay, you are going to attend an interview. You have long nails, long hair, then long mustache, and toned shirt, toned pant, and you are going to an interview. Do you think he will select you on the interview? Please comment on the
No.
comment
No,
box.
no, but I want to explain here something.
Okay,
So
explain.
that is not came in beauty. That comes under discipline.
Okay, okay. That's what. Okay. Never. Okay, guys. As Nishan said, that is discipline, right? Okay, but it's also come some point under beauty, right? Because if he looks beautiful, there is two kind of beauty: inner beauty and outer beauty. Inner beauty is different from outer beauty, right? Inner beauty is also there, but outer beauty is also an important thing. We should consider that, because if uh, Singham Surya is typing something. Okay, if you are going like this, he will not select you, right? So
Exactly.
something you can groom yourself. You can wash your face, and you can be neat. That's it. I don't want to say that you will maintain the body, because if you transform your life, you will start maintaining yourself. That's the thing um, we all will do. So beauty should also be there, but as you said, if I am looking fair, like I'm looking white or I'm looking black, they are taking or not, that's not important. But your part is to be neat. That's it. To be neat, to groom yourself, to cut your nails, and to maintain a, a good looking face. That's it. It's easy, not it's not a big deal. So maintain a good face. So, and maintain a good dress and good physique. That are what are in they will say as is to be maintained. You can maintain, but not giving more thing concentrated concentration on beauty, like putting Fair and Lovely or putting something or some like that. That's not important. That's I also don't support like that. But we can maintain something like dressing properly, and shaving our beard and mustache neatly. That's important, right? So this is what I want to say. Beauty doesn't affect career. Will not be a right point. Beauty is also important to be successful in your career, because you will see many people in life while going. So beauty is also very very important. And they will not select your beauty. They will select it. Give your best. You will 80% you get. That's it. My point. That's all. Thank you guys for giving me this
Amazing.
opportunity.
Great confidence, great examples. And guys, link in the comment box. Go fill the feedback form for Sarath. There you will get a chance to speak what you like and what you don't. So go fill a feedback form. Your precious feedback will be really amazing for. And as sir is also saying, great poses, Sarath.
Oh,
You just like
thank you,
take
sir.
every lesson in the session, like you take it seriously and you use it. Guys, feedback link is
Okay.
in the chat box. Go fill the feedback.
Okay. Okay, guys. Next speaker is, you know something, that guy is very, very awesome, I think, because he's improving himself daily. I can see, but what I can say, he's a captain of the team. What team? Vivekananda team, I think. Sorry, Kalam team. Kalam team, right? So he's a wonderful person. Always be polite and be what time. But hello, being very calm, and he's a very awesome person. I'll call upon Mr. Anshuman to speak here.
Hey, thank you so much, Sarath, for that beautiful introduction, by the way. Okay. ठीक है. हाँ, नमस्ते दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है अंशुमान त्रिपाठी और आज चर्चा हो रही है कि क्या ब्यूटी मैटर करती है कैरियर पे. इस पे ना हम दो मेजर पॉइंट्स पे बात करेंगे. पहला रहेगा कि ब्यूटी मैटर करती है क्या आपके लिए, कि आप जैसे लोगों को जज करते हैं. मतलब हाउ वी सी द पीपल. ये बात एक बार की है. अमेरिका का एक बहुत बड़ा एयरपोर्ट है. मतलब वो था सफेद कलर का, थोड़ी बहुत दाढ़ी थी और लुंगी पहना हुआ था. तो वहां से बाजू से एक परिवार निकला, उनके हाथ में एक बच्चा था. तो रहे थे, एयरपोर्ट से बाहर निकले थे. तो वो बोलती कि कैसे कैसे इंडियन गंवार आ जाते हैं हमारे देशों में, यहाँ आने के लायक भी नहीं है. तो वो उनको देखते हैं और मुस्कुरा के आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. भाई साहब, ये जो परिवार रहता है, इनका बेटा बहुत बीमार रहता है, इसलिए थोड़े जल्दी में रहते हैं. तो ये जल्दी जल्दी गाड़ी में बैठते हैं. इनके बेटे का जो ऑपरेशन 2 घंटे बाद होना रहता है. तो ये परिवार जब हॉस्पिटल में पहुंचते हैं, वहां अपने बेटे को भर्ती कराते हैं और उनको बताया जाता है कि कोई बहुत बड़े डॉक्टर आ रहे हैं. मतलब उस बेटे को जो बीमारी थी, वो उस बीमारी का इलाज सिर्फ एक ही डॉक्टर कर सकते हैं. तो वो आधे एक घंटे में पहुंचते होंगे, तब तक ऑपरेशन थिएटर रेडी हो रहा है. तो इन लोग ने बोला कि वो डॉक्टर नहीं है, भगवान है जो हमारे बच्चे की जान बचा सकते हैं, क्योंकि उनके अलावा और कोई नहीं कर सकता. हॉस्पिटल में इन लोग ऑपरेशन थिएटर के बाहर बैठे रहते हैं, वेट करते रहते हैं. और तभी अचानक वो आदमी आता है लुंगी वाला. चौंक जाते हैं कि अरे, इसको तो हमने एयरपोर्ट पे गंवार कहा था. फिर उस लाइन है जिसे कहते हैं कि डोंट जज पीपल ऑन अपीयरेंसेस. पहनावा किसी का बाहर कैसे दिख रहा है, इस पे बिल्कुल किसी को जज मत करो, क्योंकि अपीयरेंसेस डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं. वो वही डॉक्टर निकला जो उनके बच्चे की जान बचाया. He was a South Indian person named Krishnamurti, and a big name. South Indians have big names, but yeah, he was a doctor. He saved his child, and for that they insulted that doctor. क्योंकि कौन पर्सन क्या है और वो आपकी लाइफ में क्या महत्व रखता है, तब आपकी ज्यादा हटानी जाएगी. इसलिए किसी को जज ना करें उसके लुक्स के ऊपर. और दूसरी बात आ गई कि अब आप लोगों को कैसे देखते हैं. ये तो आप इस स्टोरी से समझ गए कि आप ब्यूटी मैटर करेगी आपके लिए कि नहीं, ये आप डिसाइड करिए. ठीक है. दूसरी बात आती है कि अब हम खुद के लिए कैसे समझते हैं कि अगर हम सुंदर हैं तो हमको बहुत चीजें मिल जाएंगी। अरे यार यूपीएससी का किसी भी एग्जाम का टॉप रैंक स्टूडेंट्स निकालो, टॉप 100 निकालो, उनके इंटरव्यूज निकालो, कितने सुंदर दिखते हो, कितने हैंडसम है, कितने रंगीन बाल हैं उनके, सीधे साधे नॉर्मल लोग हैं, वो पढ़ाई करते हैं, वो अपना इंटेलिजेंस बढ़ाते हैं। जैसे कहते हैं ना कि ब्यूटी, अगर मुझसे कोई पूछे कि डज ब्यूटी अफेक्ट्स आवर करियर, यस, ब्यूटी अफेक्ट्स आवर करियर, but the beauty not on our face, the beauty in our heart, the beauty in our brain, the beauty in our intelligence matter our career, affects our career. We only knew a beauty that lies on the face, but there are different types of beauties that lives in heart, in your politeness, how you talk to people, how you respond them, how you learn, how you do studies, because beauty doesn't lies only on the faces, it lies on every aspect of your life. पढ़ाई को सुंदर बनाइए। एक छोटा सा जोक है, छोटा सा जोक है, सुनना। एक नृत्यिका रहती है, डांसर रहती है, राजा के दरबार में नाचती रहती है। वो राजा एकदम काले, एकदम डार्क रहते हैं, वो राजा एकदम काले कलूटे, मतलब उनकी आंखें सफेद सफेद चमकती है। उसको जज मत करो, ठीक है। तो दो ही चीज पे ब्यूटी मैटर करती है कि आप लोगों को कैसे देख रहे हैं। क्या आप सुंदर लोगों को ही देखना चाहते हैं या आप टैलेंटेड लोगों को देखना चाहते हैं? और दूसरी बात, आप सुंदर दिखना चाहते हैं या टैलेंटेड दिखना चाहते हैं? क्योंकि एट द एंड, अगर लाइफ का एग्जांपल लिए जाए, एट द एंड तो भगवानों की बात की जाए तो श्री कृष्ण भी सांवले थे, और महाभारत में ज्ञान उन्होंने दिया, और उनके ज्ञान के ऊपर गीता लिखी रही। अगर सुंदरता मैटर करती तो वहां करती। एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम कितने हैंडसम है और सलमान खान कितने हैंडसम है, ये देख ले। और एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम के नाम पे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में साइंस दिवस मनाया जाता है, आपको पता है? 6 जुलाई को एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम ने अपने पैर ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रखे थे। तो क्या वो उनकी ब्यूटी की वजह से, वो बहुत ज्यादा हैंडसम दिखते थे इस वजह से? तो उनकी ब्यूटी उनके नॉलेज में रहे। दैट इज एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम। क्या लगता है महात्मा गांधी जी कितने हैंडसम दिखते हैं? पर आप जापान में जाके अगर किसी से भी बोल दो कि हु इज महात्मा गांधी, every single person knew him. Japan, Australia, America, everybody knows Mahatma Gandhi. He is not handsome, he is not good looking. So if you are thinking that your good looks are stopping you to be successful, please correct yourself. If you want to take care of yourself, if you want to look good, do it. Take care of yourself, but just don't depend on it. Take care of yourself, but don't depend on your beauty, because your beauty lies here. Okay, so that's all from my side, and thank you guys.
Hey, what a speech, man. Awesome speech, I think. Actually, I want to say this is awesome. Okay, guys, fill the feedback form for Mr. Anshuman. I think it's here. You can fill the feedback form. Anshuman, it's end to end our session.
Okay, guys.
Your speech is very awesome, I think. I can't say anything on your speech, so that I'll go to an end. So let's finish the session.
Okay, guys. Okay, तो मैं आप लोगों को, अरे let's wait here. मैं एक चीज इन्फॉर्म करना चाहता हूँ कि 10,000 स्पीकर्स कम्युनिटी में एक कंपटीशन चल रहा है, वाव कंपटीशन। वैसे आज उसकी आखिरी तारीख थी, तो रजिस्ट्रेशन जा चुके हैं। पर यदि आप बोलने में कॉम्पीट करना चाहते हैं, डिबेट में कॉम्पीट करना चाहते हैं, स्पीच कंपटीशन करना चाहते हैं, तो 10,000 स्पीकर्स हर मंथ एक कंपटीशन करवाते हैं। तो इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर लें ताकि आपको पता चलता रहे कि कौन सा कंपटीशन होने वाला है और वो कंपटीशन कैसे होगा। फिलहाल जो कंपटीशन चल रहा है उसकी डेट तो जा चुकी है, तो सॉरी फॉर दैट, आप उसकी रजिस्ट्रेशन मिस कर चुके हैं, तो इट्स नॉट अ मैटर। अगले महीने का जो कंपटीशन होगा उसमें आप रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं, कंपटीशन में ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट सेशन होगा हमारा सैटरडे को, लर्निंग सेशन होगा, और उसके बाद संडे फिर एक और स्पीच सेशन होगा। तो आप लोगों से मुलाकात होगी अगले सेशन में। थैंक यू गाइस, बाय
थैंक
बाय।
यू सर, बाय।
लेट्स टाइप इट भारत।
Okay. Let's finish the session, guys. It was a very wonderful session.
So let's start the session. Recording has started. Good evening to all. Welcome to all of you in 10,000 speakers. Here we grow, we learn, and we improve ourselves and become a great speaker. So before starting the session, I'm going to share some ground rules with you. You have to complete your speech within 3 minutes. If you take more time, you will mute automatically. Try to wrap up your speech within 3 minutes. We will message you before 30 seconds that you have to finish, just for reminding you. And if we talk about today's topic, I hope you all of you know about today's topic. Just type was the topic for today. I want to see who is fast typer. Yes, Ayush says please mark your attendance. I am asking that what is the topic for today?
So I don't see people here because all are hidden. So can we just have a quick hi before we start the session and before we mark the attendance? Where are you all? It's only
Push.
me and Fakiha. Hey, yeah, that's good. Thank you. Where is Nikunj? Hi Rahul. Now it looks good.
Okay,
Thank
so
you. Thank you.
I can see many chats here. That is, does beauty affect career? Absolutely. Today we are going to talking about that. Does the beauty affect career? So without wasting our time, we are going to start our session. And our first speaker is Rahul. Rahul, are you here?
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, and you are on the spotlight. You can start. All the very best.
Okay. Hello everyone, I'm A. Rahul. As we all know that today's topic is does beauty affect career? We can't tell that it affect total career, but in somewhere of in the world, in some countries, it's affect some people. Especially in India, it affects some people in some private jobs. In India, we had so many division. We are different from our language and the religion and the caste. But the main two division in the world is color. That's one is a black people and the next one is white people. Anybody know this name? George Floyd. Recently, type us if you know the name George Floyd. No. So after the session, type the name George Floyd in Google, then you will know about racism in the world. The first thing is, especially in receptionist job in any other company, this job is provided only based on the white skin people with a good look. They don't provide this receptionist job for the girl who looking black because they need attractive from other persons. So this affect the career in civil field. Definitely affect the career for every person. Any RJ, any VJ, any anchoring is mainly based even on white skin people, especially. Frankly, I tell that we may see lots of heroines and heroes who looking white only. Most the heroes who looking black is approximately 1 to 3 to 5%. But mostly, who are looking good in beauty, they are acting in a cine field. And another thing, third thing is cricket. We like the one of the most familiar sports. The players' opportunities were given on only the colored. In 1980 till there is no opportunities were provided for black people in South Africa. After the 90s, 80s, and 2000s only, they give an opportunity for people in South Africa. This may indicate that beauty affects the career only. Anybody know which is the highest post in the world? Just to tell. Which is the highest post in the world? Just to tell. Prime Minister, President.
Is president.
Which country president?
What is your question? I'm sorry, I didn't.
Apart from this, anybody know about Pop of Vatican City? Vatican City Pop, the Christian religion. So the UNO and America and Russia, there is a Christian family religion on this place, and their president and prime minister were controlled by the Vatican City Pope. Till the last 100 years, no black people to become a post on this place because of racism, black and white. So finally, I conclude my speech by saying that beauty affect a career in some of the parts in the world, not fully, partially. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rahul, for such a nice speech. People, please go and fill feedback form for Rahul. And Ayush, can you please say that what do you like most in Rahul's speech and what he needs to improve?
Okay. Thank you so much. So Rahul, first of all, I would say you included lots of facts. So that's because you have done a lot of research behind it. So there was history, and you told about the pop, and all the examples that you took were related to black people. So your perspective was different, which was good.
Yeah.
So that is the good part, that you touched one aspect only and you stick to that. So that's really good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ayush. Our next speaker is Khush. Khush, are you here?
Yeah,
Okay.
I am here. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. You are now on the spotlight. Let's get started. All the very best.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, everyone, for giving me opportunity to speak on the topic. Now, the topic that we have is that does the beauty affect the your career? So I think first of all we need to understand what we mean by beauty, and I assume that I would be speaking on the basis that we are talking about the physical appearances, and that is what I mean by beauty. So if that is the scenario, then I would say that yes, definitely in the short term, the beauty does affect your career path, and it is irrespective of your learning curve that you are having. But when I talk about the long term scenario, it is always the hard work, your luck factor, your leadership, and the opportunities and challenges that you get. I think that defines your career and not just the beauty. And in terms of now, when I see the rationale behind why the beauty can be a helpful factor, a reinforcement for a success in your career, I think the reason behind that is that it brings the acceptability in your thoughts, whatever you are sharing with the wider group. And it's always the winning of the emotions over rationality when you talk about the beauty. So I think that is the basic assumption on the basis of which I can say that the beauty always leads to better career and better success in your career. And apart from the reasoning, I would talk about the where it is more prominent. And then I would say whenever there is like any public facing jobs or any advertising industry, any fashion industry. So in that scenario where your physical appearances leads to are very important for your overall well-being, then I think beauty always is an essential reinforcement that you always have in your pocket. So this is these are my thoughts. And when I talk about the overall implications, so I would definitely say that if the beauty is the only factor that is supposed to lead to a better career, I think that would not be an ideal scenario. And the reason being, because eventually if everything has to be decided based on your appearances, your looks, your way of talking, or that is the only scenario, then I would say there is no place for the hard work in that scenario. And we are having like multiple examples where if I talk about the black versus white, if so you can see like the Oprah Winfrey is there. If I talk about the looks, then I would say the Sundar Pichai. I mean, those are the most successful people that we talk about in our everyday life. So, and they are way more successful than other, I would say, the maybe more good-looking people that we are having. It might bring the acceptability, but in the long run, it's always the
Just want to ask one question to all. Are you able to access your feedback form? Have you ever seen your feedback form?
I haven't seen yet.
Okay. What about Rahul and Shubhangi?
No, ma'am.
Okay. You have that email ID in Google Drive. Type speaker playground. Get all your feedbacks there. Okay. I was
And
thinking.
these
Yes.
feedbacks are provided by whom? Is it the team or the
No,
like the
yes.
host or any external?
Yes. It is provided by all the audiences, all the members. Okay. So, guys, I have already shared link with you. Please go and fill feedback form for Khush. And apart from this, Ayush, are you here?
Yes, yes, I'm here.
Okay. Please share his feedback, what he needs to improve and what he likes.
Okay. So first of all, Kush, thank you so much for your speech. So is it your second speech or third?
Yeah, it's my second.
It's your second speech. Okay. So first thing what I liked was the examples because you touched about different examples in it regarding the Oprah Winfrey and you touched rationality. So there were different ideas. But the good so one thing it lacked was clarity. You touched different ideas, but there were no concrete examples to prove your point, right? You used different words. That was good. You have researched about, you might have collected your thoughts as well. But you have to prove those points with the examples. That's the
Okay.
first thing. And second thing is pace. Because you were running, because your thoughts were not aligned, so you were running. So that's the only thing. That's the only two things. Otherwise, everything was good because as a second speech or third speech, this was awesome. Thank you.
Ayush, I think today you have some network issues.
Yes,
We
because
Yeah.
yes, we
it
have
rained
listened you
here.
half, but no problem. Thank you so much for sharing your feedback. Uh, Such an impactful feedback. Thank you so much. And our next speaker is Shubhangi. Shubhangi, are you here?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible. Yes, you can start. All the very
Hello,
best.
everyone. Our today's topic is the how does beauty affect career. So I would love to give here an example. there are two girls, and these two girls works in the same office. One girl is very much beautiful, and second one is dull color. But in her work, he do all the work very confidently. But on the second hand, if we see the another girl who is very much beautiful, she entered by the stereotype of beauty. But why this girl is not taking any of the responsibility so seriously, and because of which, after the second manager comes into the office, he sees the both girls and compare the both girls. So he sees that how did the second girl would be able to come in a great position. So when he judged to both of the girls, he in color and give her a reward. So from this story we can conclude easily that no, beauty doesn't always affect career. You have to be very much confident in your work, how you are working, and the scenario. If you never get disheartened when the same scenario is going on with you, you have to be work so hard, so that one day your work would be mine. The other second examples I've mentioned, we all know, so we all know that, na?
Yes.
Yeah. So the first movie that Amitabh Bachchan got, he got rejected because of his height. But now what we see that the Amitabh Bachchan is the one superhero in the Bollywood, the Amir Khan, who has short height, but he has so many super hit films. There are so many examples. Priyanka Chopra, who has dull color, he was the Miss India of our nation. We have to touch upon the all aspects, the beauty, your height, your style, and your whole of your physical appearance believes in beauty. And the second other thing is that all the things have some of other beauty. We don't have to judge beauty only on the basis of the physical appearance. This is from my side. Super amazing, Shubhangi. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Shubhangi. Really amazing, like always. Nikunj, can you listen me? Can you listen to me?
Yes, Fatia, yes. Shubhangi's feedback was Shubhangi gave a really good speech. The most important thing is I like the example of the two girls. One was not like, one was average looking and one was, but she was not, and other was beautiful, but she was not into all the kind of work. So like she was, I think, but after all, and after that she gave example of Amitabh Bachchan, which was also really good. So examples were really great, but I think she needs to improve a bit of confidence. That's all from my side.
Thank you so much, Nikunj. Ayush, what's
Yeah.
your feedback?
So, am I audible clearly to
Ayush,
you?
am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, you are audible now.
Okay. So, first of all,
Ayush,
yes.
आयुष तेरा वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है, तो डू वन थिंग, जस्ट स्विच ऑफ योर कैमरा एंड गिव द फीडबैक, तो शायद वॉइस थोड़ा क्लियर आएगा.
Okay, now is it proper or
just try it now?
Now is it clear?
It's better now.
Go on.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
absolutely clear.
Thank you. So, Shubhangi, I would say examples, as everyone told that you gave two examples. First was the story, and second was Amitabh Bachchan, that was real life. The first example you explained very beautifully, like there was a girl and then it was building. But Amitabh Bachchan वाला example तो एकदम से खत्म हो गया कि उसने height के चक्कर में and he was rejected for the first movie. Overall, we connected ki what you wanted to say, because how beauty impacted, and this was only one stance that you wanted to deliver. So there was only one take that you take. So I would say just work on more explanation, because your speech was short. You you concluded it very immediately, like done. Yeah, I'm done. हो गया मेरा आज का. इस तरह से नहीं, थोड़ा सा और explain करो, थोड़ा और लंबा रखो, हम session और extend करेंगे. कोई वैसा कोई बात नहीं है. Overall, it's good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Ayush. So move on with our next speaker, and our next speaker is Nikunj. Nikunj, are you here?
Yes, I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible. You can start now. All the very best.
Thank you, Fakia. So every job requires a unique skill set. But what is more important than skill set is your representation or presentation capability, which is more important than the skill set in the today's world. Hello everyone, my name is Nikunj, and our topic for today is, does beauty affect your career? So if you want to ask me and want to answer me in simple one word, yes, it does affect your career. But let me help you to understand how does beauty affects your career. So if I take the example of the fashion industry, what would be the first thing which will come to your mind? All the decked up people in good clothes, be it girls or boys, be it girls or boys, all the good decked up people. But there is one minute point which many few people knows. Suppose you give an example for a fashion show. Out of 100 applicants, I think 90 people are beautiful, and that's the reason they are applying for this kind of profession or job, I should say. But what makes that one contestant different from the crowd? I think that is the skill set which make different take place. For example, choosing Miss India, Miss World, or even only beauty is considered, but they are given various situations. Their speaking power is tested. Their situational analysis is when you are sitting in a room of 100, I think 90 people are having a good outer beauty, then you have to really compete on your skill set. For using for decorative item, I think no, they are only used for decoration. Similarly, in some profession, in some companies, people need that kind of showpiece people. Friend Khush, which face appearance matter a lot. Whenever you see a hoarding, you will always find a good, beautiful girl, because it attracts the attentions of the viewer. But at the same time, it won't lead you to a huge growth, because at the end of the day, beauty only plays 10% of your career weightage. It gives you a good start, but if you want to grow ahead in your life, you need the skill set which is required for the job. And not only the skill set, you have to develop it again and again. You have to work day and day harder to remain in the competition. And at last, I would want to say to my viewers, whoever is listening to me right now, after my video finishes, just pat yourself back and be happy. Just close your eyes and feel happy, because you are the unique creation of God, and every creation which is created by God is beautiful. So beauty does not have any definition. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Thank you. That was all from my side.
Thank you so much, Nikunj, for such an amazing speech. I can say full of content, full of information. Let's listen to Khush. Khush, are you here? Khush, am I audible to you?
Yeah, yes, you are.
Okay, Khush, can you please share that what do you like most in his speech?
Yeah, so there were three, four things that I really liked, and the those are the like the pace. So I really loved the pace. It was like everything was going fine. It was like it was good to hear. And second is you're not rushing. You're speaking at your own pace, and you're taking pauses in between. And the third is the example that you related. So first you gave the examples of the one industry, then you moved on to the broader group. So that switch between different topics was really smooth. It was not like you are jumping from one topic to another. So I really like that.
Thank you so much, Khush. People, you can go and fill feedback form for Nikunj. Before that, I would like to listen to Ayush.
Okay, thank you. Actually, I missed the in between part because of disconnection, but the feedback given by Kushvinder, I think that's pretty much, because you started with an example and then you ended with a quote, beauty refines and everything. So it was good to hear. And how is your back now? Are you feeling good?
It's paining really bad, yeah. It's paining really bad. Like I haven't slept for last 4 5 days. I had this cervical spondylitis issue, so I am not able to speak. Ayush, if you don't mind, I can disconnect the session right now. Actually, I am getting a call from my doctor. I think.
Okay, no problem. Just take care and keep attending the sessions. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Thank you so much, Ayush, and Nikunj as well. Ayush, now it's your turn. You can start.
Okay.
All the very best.
Thank you. So I'll start. Hi everyone. Today's topic is, does beauty affect career? Before we start, we need to understand what kind of beauty we are talking about and what kind of career we are talking about. If I talk about beauty, it can be of two types, inner beauty and outer beauty. And when I talk about career, it can be a Bollywood career, a Hollywood, a fashion industry, a corporate career, or it can be a president, or are you a cricketer, a sports star, etc., etc., etc. Now, when it comes to outer beauty, if you are a superstar, here it matters your beauty because everything is presentation. But when it comes to long-term things, when it comes to inner beauty, there are 5 things that always matters: your confidence, your courage, your humility, your kindness, and your words. So if you are using good words, if you have courage, if you have patience, if you have kindness, so that beauty keeps you going for the life. Let me give you examples. Everyone knows about Mahatma Gandhi. Everyone knows about Mother Teresa. Everyone knows about Nelson Mandela, Picasso, and lot of examples we have. APJ Abdul Kalam. So these people never gave importance to their outer beauty. These people have always given importance to their courage, to their humility, kindness, to their words, and to their impact to the world. So I will just conclude by saying these examples. Just try to have that beauty within us, which has all these factors. And if you belong to different industry where it's your bread and butter, then it's a different story. But when it comes to the overall success, if we are talking about happiness, if we are talking about any success in any domain, these factors, these beautiful factors will have to be with us. This is Ayush signing off. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ayush, such a beautiful speech and very calm speech, I can say.
Thank you.
So,
Okay.
so people go and fill feedback form for Ayush as well and type done after filling.
So we can hear some feedback on my speech from Rahul, I think. Rahul hasn't given any feedback.
Okay. Rahul, are you here? Rahul?
Yeah, I am there.
Okay, please share feedback. What do you think about his speech, Ayush's speech?
Your speech is such a cool and a calm speech. His clarity of thoughts are really good, and he clearly explained the topic like what is beauty and what is career, and he gave the such example like the Mother Teresa, Mahatma Gandhi, and Abdul Kalam. He told as Abdul Kalam is not gives a good importance to the beauty, but he is one of the successful person in India. He's the first president, not first president. He's a president, and I like this.
Thank you so much, Rahul. Ayush.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, Rahul. And I think now it's my turn to introduce our host for the speech. So everyone, let me welcome author, a student, a teacher. Let's call Fabulous Pakiha for her speech. 3, 2, 1, here you go.
Thank you so much, Ayush. Beauty begins from where? When we start believing in ourselves. Hey, I am Fabulous Fakiha, and today we are gonna discuss that beauty does affect career. Before starting my speech, I want to ask you a question that if someone is beautiful and when he or she speaks, he is not that much well in speaking. Would you like to talk to him? Would you like to continue your relation with his or her relation, like friendship, boss, anything? What do you think? Beauty is important than your confidence and personality? No. Shubhangi types no. Yes, it happens. When we think about beauty, the first thing comes in our mind, that is face. Fair color, sharp features, and this is, we can say that it is stereotypes. This is the thinking of people, that beauty is that which comes from face, which comes from features of the people. But I think beauty is that which comes from inside, which comes from confidence. When a person is confident, we can easily say that yes, this person is beautiful, and we really want to talk to them. And it is stereotype, we can't change that yes, beauty comes from face. As everybody has shared that about different industries, about different work we need. I think in everything we need, first that we think need, that is skills. If Katrina Kaif or if they do not have that skill of acting, will they take them as actresses or as an actor? I think the first and foremost thing which we require, that is skill. Beauty comes after. If a person is uneducated, if any girl or a boy is uneducated, but he or she is beautiful, will we take them in job? I think no, we will not. We need, maybe in some we need beauty, but and if we talk about actresses, I think they are not that much beautiful. Yes, they are. They have nice features, but they also require make inside. God makes us, and He makes everything beautiful, and we all are beautiful. And it is up to us that how we improve ourselves. Thank you so much. Me signing off. Fatiha Chaudhary. Ayush, are you here?
Hello, can you hear me?
Ayush.
Hello, hello. Am I audible?
Hello.
Hello.
I think you have some network issues again. So please go and fill feedback form for me as well. And I would like to listen to Shubhangi. Shubhangi, can you please?
The thoughts that we had from different participants, those covered a lot of broad areas, and it ranged from the inner beauty versus the physical appearances, and everybody had their thoughts, and it was a good session. Everybody has got something to take away from this session.